Apparel manufacturing industry faces many challenges, and one such major challenges for a garment manufacturing company is accountability. GlobalSoft has come out with a product called ISAM with RFID. There's a big communication gap usually in a garment manufacturing industry, whether this is interdepartment or intra-department, and ISAM has come out with a good solution for the same. Previously, what we used to do in a garment factory is have a team of people for getting the data on for accounted data. Filtrages has always been a big issue, and we can track through ISAM where the filtrages are exactly in and addresses filtrages so that garment factory doesn't have any filtrages at all. Basically, majority of this information is received only after the work is done or when the damage is already done. But if we can have a live data during the process, and we can take corrective actions during the process itself, and there is a lot of communication gap between the departments which can be addressed during the process itself. So it's a fantastic tool, and I would suggest, as a garment manufacturer, we should all try to implement systems like this to have peace of mind. Being an end-to-end IT solution provider for the industry for about 3 decades, Global Software has come out with a solution called ISAM, Integrated Solution for Apparel Manufacturing. The data are fed into the system through the combination of RFID technology, weighing scale, and biometrics. The process in the cutting department involves lay creation, ply counting, and once the cutting is done, the panels are measured in a weighing scale initially, and a RFID tag is given to each bundle, which is unique for the bundle itself. Once the initial process and feeding of data is done in the cutting department, for the rest of the panels, we don't have to count each and every panel. Rather, each and every bundle is weighed in the weighing scale, and the RFID tag is generated according to the weight to denote the number of panels in the weighing scale itself. It generates an RFID tag for each and every bundle, which would have the exact number of pieces in the bundle followed in every process, so that we don't have to count the garments in every other process. Once the production is over, the bundle is again counted, and the differential weight gives the number of pieces that is not out of the production yet, which gives the number of pieces under rework and rejection. This system also helps us to measure the quality level in the production line, so that the final output of the garment or the number of garment can be measured or evaluated through the online process itself, rather than waiting for the entire production to get over and to find out the rejection and rework percentage and to rectify the mistakes at the later stage. Mistakes are rectified then and there to give the final measure of the number of garments that would go into the packing or the cartoons. Since the biometrics is integrated to the ISAM system, the ISAM calculates the number of employees required and the number of employees present for the day, and gives a clear data on the number of people engaged for a particular operation. At the end of the day, ISAM also gives the number of people present for the rest of the operation and the overheads, so as to calculate each and every expenses that is involved in manufacturing the particular garment, and gives an exact P&L for the day. ISAM helps to calculate non-productive time. Having calculated non-productive time online, it helps us to address the issues in the line itself so as to increase the productive time. Unit performance, department performance, and line performance can be tracked every hour. The ISAM is integrated to the biometric system. The list of absentees calculated before the shift starts. Since filtrage and the material tracking has been a challenge in the garment industry, if we can integrate all the material that is flowing into the garment industry through RFID tag and ISAM, material tracking and filtrages material management would become a easy job. This has become a fantastic tool in reducing the manpower and giving live data for a progressive industry. Technology has been a solution for many of our problems, and with iSAM, it is simple to use and easy to implement, which saves enormous manpower and time, which is very vital for the industry. iSAM is truly an integrated solution for apparel manufacturing and the industry at large.